Yeah, hello guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. So, as usual, we'll be analyzing the market and we'll be looking for entry opportunities. All right, so today is Monday and it's another week, you know, to make money from the Forex market. If you don't have real money in your account, I'll suggest you fund your account. All right, and if you fund your account on my live stream, you'll be eligible to join my premium group. All right, so I have a premium group where I give signals, market analysis, and market reports. So to join the premium group, you just have to deposit on this live stream using the deposit with benefit banner. All right. So when you click on the deposit with benefit banner, it will take you to the deposit page. When you get to the deposit page, just deposit at least $10. All right, $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $20, sorry, $15, $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200, $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month, and then you also get a one-on-one live trading session with me. All right. So guys, we ended our trading challenge on Friday, and yes, we had a little drawdown. Initially, my account was above $100, but I had a little drawdown, and it took me back to 90 plus. But that's still a win. I mean, if you are able to take $20 to $90 within 30 days, it's a great achievement. All right. So and this was possible because we had rules and regulations. Okay, and I didn't go against the rules I have set. Okay, so if you want to become a profitable forex trader, you just need to make sure that you have the rules and regulation, you have it set. Okay, and don't ever go against it. Whatever the case may be, make sure you stick to the rules and regulation. If you have strategies, if your strategy requires some certain things, some certain confirmation before you can open any position, make sure the requirements are met before you open the position. All right, don't go against your strategy. All right, so that's just a piece of advice from me. Let's see what we have in the market. So this is Solana USDT, and okay, let's go to the higher time frame. So we're currently on SOL USDT, which is Solana USDT, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. All right, and as you can see, the market has been on uptrend for a while. Okay, so the market has been on uptrend for some times now. Let's see. Okay, so after the break of structure here, the market actually made a reversal, and it reversed to this level of interest where the market made the bold move. So after the break of structure here, the market came back down, you see, to this level where we have a fair value gap. So the candle went straight into the 50% of the fair value gap, and then immediately took off, you see, started printing bullish candles. All right. So the market is still on uptrend. Okay, and if you want to join this trade, though right now we have a double top, so this market can sell for a little bit, and you can take advantage of this if you want. If I'm going to enter this trade now, this will be my entry. My stop loss is going to be right here, and my take profit, I'm not going to go too far. I'm just going to set it just below this level. Okay. So this is a scalping trade. Yeah, I think I'm going to open this position. So you see the candle is currently rejecting the level, which is a good sign for our analysis. So we have another block at this level. Okay, we have another block here. And my stop loss, my take profit is set on the other block. Okay, and the reason why I'm taking this entry is because we have a double top. All right, so I'm taking this based on the double top. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see if we can get more confirmation aside the double top. Okay, so I don't want to place a trade based on just one, what I saw, which is the double top. That is what is known as sentiment analysis in the forex market. Yeah, you need to be sure. I mean, you want to make multiple, you want to, get multiple confirmations. Make sure that the market is reversing, not just because of one thing. Yeah, the market can actually reverse, um, because of its specific reason. But at the same time, it's better if you have multiple. Okay, if you have, more than one. If you have more than one confirmation, it gives you the confidence that the market will be profitable. But if you have just one, that is when you start getting scared if the market is pulling up or giving you a drawdown. So immediately you see the market giving drawdown, even though the market is still going to go your way, you get confused immediately and you want to go out of the market. You want to look out for another entry opportunity. See, these are the mistakes that makes you lose your money. So the best thing is make sure to analyze the market and get the proper confirmation that is needed to enter the trade. Once you get the confirmation, go ahead and open your position and look away from the market. So let the candles do their stuff. All right, so I expect this market to come down. Okay, so this is the 15 minutes time frame, and I'm going to enter this trade. Okay, I'm going to enter the trade. So though the 15-minute candle is still printing, though this is Solana USDT, they are not instruments to be toyed with. I mean, they are very volatile. So you want to be careful with your entries. Okay. All right, so this is the 15 minutes time frame. I think we should wait for the 15 minutes candle to finish printing. We have less than 4 hours to the end of the candle. So let's just see how the candle ends. If it ends this way, with this rejection candle, I'm going to open the sell position. Okay. All right, we have less than 3 minutes to the end of the candle, and the candle is still bearish. Okay, it's still bearish. So let's see how this ends. Let's see if this is going to be a good trade to take advantage of. All right. So still on the 15 minutes time frame, guys. We have less than 2 minutes to the end of the candle. So this is a 15-minute scalping trade, and we're not going to be in, on this trade for long. Once we start making good profit, we're going to close our positions and look up for another opportunity. All right, few seconds more, guys. All right, so guys, I'm selling Solana USDT. All right, I just opened a position on Solana USDT. Now, let me give you the take profit and the stop loss for this trade. So here's my take profit and the stop loss for SOLUSDT. So if you are selling with me, make sure to set your take profit and your stop loss. All right, it's very important. All right. So our Solana USDT is still, moving. Okay, and I hope everyone has set their take profit and the stop loss for this trade. Yeah. Now let's make analysis from another instrument. Okay, so let's check on BTC USDT. Let's see what BTC USDT is currently up to. All right, so on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, the market is reacting to, this level. So here we have a fair value gap, we have an order block. Okay, let me take you to the 2 hour time frame so you can see. Okay, so we have order block, we have fair value gaps, and the market is currently reacting to the order block here. All right, so the market is responding to this move, and so if we look at the chart from the 4 hour time frame, you see we can clearly see that the market is on the bearish side. Okay, the market is on the bearish side, which means that the market is selling. All right. Okay. So on the 4 hour time frame, as you can see, we have this wild fair value gap. All right. And you see how the market went, got into the 50%, went even further, before making the bearish move. All right. So this is what is making the market, to start creating the bearish candles. All right. Yes, and our Solana USDT is currently in profit, guys. We are in profit. So if you took the trade, you should be seeing profit by now. All right, so this is NZDCAD. Okay, the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollars. And what we have here is a bearish trend. Uh, all right, we have this is a bearish trend on the 1 hour time frame. But we've had a break to the upside. This is a minor break. By the way, but let's say if minor breaks turn to main breaks. So let's see how legitimate this is. Let's see how legitimate the break is. Let's find out if this can hold the market or if this is just a fake out as usual. The forex market has a lot of fake outs, and if you are not careful as a forex trader, you lose your money to the fake out. Okay. All right. So we have this move here. So let's see what happened. When the market came to this level. All right. So when the market got to this level, we had a liquidity purge. And then after the liquidity purge, we have a shift in the market structure. Let's see if we have a valid shift in the market structure. Okay, so I'm not going to use the week as a confirmation. Let's use the body of a candle, okay? Because we are on the 5 minutes time frame, and it's very hard to get confirmations on the lower time frame because either way they are going to align themselves to the hourly time frame. So whatever you are seeing here is the minor moves. All right. If you want to look at the larger picture, you have to go to the higher time frame. All right. So what we have on the 5 minutes time frame of NZDCAD is we had this liquidity purge. Okay, there was liquidity here, there was liquidity here. The market purged liquidity to the upside. And then after the liquidity purge, we had a shift in the market structure. So now this shift in the market structure is what we are going to be using to, predict the next move of the market. So if I had seen this earlier, my entry would have been right here. Okay, so my entry would have been here because we have this huge fair value gap, then we have the other block right above it, and you see how the market went straight into the other block and then started making bearish moves. So this would have been my entry point, where I would have waited for the market to for this candle to actually close. That would have been a confirmation for me, and my entry would have been right there. Okay, with a stop loss below. Let's say my take profit is about this level. My take profit is here. My stop loss is right there. So my take profit is here because we have another large fair value gap, and then we have another block right below it. So I don't want to set my take profit on the fair value gap. See, that's very risky. The market can reverse from this level. The market will definitely want to move from this level, even if it's not reversing, but there's going to be a movement and it's going to affect uh, the open positions. So I don't want the market to get to this level. I rather stay above the level, And once the market gets here, the market will take profit, and secure my profit for me. So this is a good trade, but unfortunately, we didn't catch the move early. The market. Okay, let's see. I think we can still enter this trade. Yeah, we can still enter this trade, but if we do, our take profit needs to be widened. So this is where I'm going to enter the trade if I'm to enter this trade now, and my take profit will be right here, or let's say here, or maybe right below. Okay, because I'm looking at the candle breaking this level. Okay, so yeah, I can set it here where we have another liquidity pool. Okay, so remember I defined what liquidity pool is. I think that was on Friday. I said liquidity pool is where we have multiple rejections. Okay, so where we have multiple rejection is also where we want to enter trades. So if you see a multiple rejection right now, a retail trader will want to open position because their belief is the market is going to move. There the market is going to make a big move because there's a rejection there. So the market is going to reject when it gets to that particular price point. All right. But when liquidity is about to happen, when the market gets to such price point, the market will just take out the whole liquidity. If you have an open position on the price point, the market will take you out. It's not as if the market is tracking your stop loss, all right? The market doesn't track stop loss. I mean, we have millions of traders that open position at the same time. Um, so they are not actually tracking your stop loss because while you are buying, another person is selling, and while you are selling, another person is buying. So there's nothing like stop hunt. Okay, yeah. I've seen retailers talk about stop hunts. They even make videos on it, saying that stop hunt is when your broker is hunting for your stop loss. Your brokers don't hunt for stop losses, okay? There's nothing like stop hunt in the forex market. So there's buy, there's sell. If they are hunting your own stop loss, how about other people that are buying? All right. So nobody's hunting your stop loss. It's just the market taking out liquidity on you. So if you want to get the best strategy, I'll advise that you learn how to trade the ICT way, okay, which is the SMC strategy, the smart money concept way of trading. And if you want to learn that, what you have to do is you don't even need to pay. Okay, you're not paying to get the knowledge. All you have to do is fund your account on this live stream. Okay, fund your account with at least $200. Just click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. If you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. When you get to the deposit page, fund your account with at least $200, and then you be added to the premium group, and then you also get a one-on-one live trading session with me. Okay, so on the session, I can now teach you how to properly analyze the market using the SMC strategy. All right. All right. So NZDCAD is still at it, and we have our analysis on already. We're just waiting for confirmation, and the confirmation will be all right. So the market already made a move from our initial entry point, but I think we have the market heading towards this level where we have a fair value gap and another block. So I'm just going to set my entry over there and my take profit. My usual one is to 1.5. So let me see where 1.5 is. Yes. So 1.5 is on a favorable level. Okay. It's a favorable level because it doesn't go below this level. This is where I think the big move is going to happen. If the market succeeds in taking out this fair value gap, the market is going to get, the market will sell even more. Okay, but if the market reverses from this level, the market will just continue to buy. But there's definitely going to be a bearish move because the buyers need to push this market. Okay, they need to push this market more. And then we have an area here where the market is going to induce. Okay, so this is an inducement level because it's going to take this level out. The market is going to purge this liquidity. Okay, so this is going to be induced. This is going to be the market inducement level. And after inducing, it's going to make moves like this, go down, retest this level, go down further, maybe possibly come to this area where we have an order block. All right. All right. So we have the bullish candle printing, and the bullish candle is almost at the initial sell, reversal point. So what we want to see here now is we don't want this to go above this level. We want it to reject. So once we get the rejection, we open a sell position. All right. All right. So while we are at this, waiting for a reversal, let me quickly, you know, inform you guys about a new feature that is just been added to the BtcDana app. Guys, you can now, exchange your BTC for a withdrawal fee coupon. All right. So what this means is, if you go to the BTC mining center, you see exchange. All right. So if you click on the exchange, it will take you to the page where you can exchange your BTC. All right. So initially you can, exchange a certain amount of BTC for a certain coupon, but another one has been added, which is one BTC exchange for $1. All right, $1 withdrawal fee coupon. So you can exchange one BTC for $1 withdrawal fee coupon. All right, and you can only do this 2 times a month. Okay, so if you exchange now, you can exchange after 14 days. Okay, so you can only do this twice a month. Okay, so guys, head on to the BTC Exchange Center and go try it out. Okay, so this is a beautiful addition, guys. All right, so you see the market is currently rejecting, and we are still on the 15 minutes time frame. We have less than 6 minutes to the end of the 15-minute candle. So remember when I said this movement could be, a fake out. So if the market successfully, rejects this level, it means that everything that's been going on here is actually a fake out. And you see, if you are not careful as a retail trader, the market is going to cut off with you, right? I just need the market to reverse, all right? Give me a long week with a very small body. That is the type of rejection I'm waiting for. Okay. So we have less than 5 minutes to the end of the current candle. Yeah, beautiful rejection, guys. Beautiful rejection. All right, so let's check on our SOL USDT trade. Okay, still going back and forth. You see, went back to our entry point. Okay, but we have stop loss and take profit on. So let's just continue with the current one, which is NZDCAD. All right, NZDCAD is still rejecting, and we have less than 4 minutes to the end of the candle. So once we get the proper confirmation, we open a sell position immediately. So guys, go to NZDCAD. All right, stay on the NZDCAD chart. Stay on NZDCAD chart. Okay, so we have a nice rejection going on. Hopefully the candle will end this way. All right, we have less than 2 minutes and we still have that beautiful rejection. And hopefully it stays that way until the end of the, candle formation. All right, few seconds more to the end of the candle. Okay, so the candle ended. Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm opening a sell position on NZDCAD, and this is based on the analysis we have here. All right, so this is the take profit and the stop loss for NZDCAD. All right, so we took this trade based on the analysis and the price action. All right, so let me walk you guys through it one more time. So we have a fair value gap, we have an order block, and the market, had already rejected from the order block. Aside this rejection, the market also came back, because we have another order block left around here, and then we have uh, our fair value gap, okay, which complements the other block. And you see how the rejection happened. We have the long wick with a very small body, all right, and we also have our two moving average crossing above the candle, which is the previous candle. So we took our entry. We have our take profit and our stop loss on, and hopefully this will go to our take profit level. All right. So guys, make sure to set take profit and stop loss on this trade. All right. So nothing is 100% when it comes to forex trading. Just make sure you know how to secure your equity, right? Secure your account. So when you get good opportunity, make sure to take the opportunity and also know when to go out of a market. Okay. So when the market is giving you a sign that it's going to reverse, don't wait until it start reversing. All right. Okay. So yeah, we have a position on NLDCAD. We have a position on SOLUSDT. Okay, so let's check on XAUUSD, see how the market is currently moving. All right. Yeah, so I gave this signal this morning, and as you can see here, the market actually made a bullish move. And I knew that the market is going to revert from here because we have another block, and you see how the market is currently making the bearish move from this zone. All right. So the market actually made move from the zone where we have the other block. All right, the fair value gap, brother. So this is still going to move up. It's still going to get to at least this level. Okay. Well, you want to be careful with entries. Okay. We don't want to make decision that is going to affect our account. All right. Okay. So let's go check on another pair. Okay. Let's check on another. All right. So we already have a trade running, on a crypto instrument. So it is, not advisable to open another crypto trade because these pairs are very volatile. Okay, they are very volatile. But we have different directions here actually. Remember we took the trade on Solana USDT based on the double top, right? But what we have here on ETC USDT is quite different. So this is suggesting a buy actually. ETC USDT is suggesting a buy, which is quite different from what we had on Solana. So this is Ethereum USDT on the 2-hour time frame. And what we have here is also an uptrend. Okay. What we have here is an uptrend. And then we also have trend lines. So we have trend lines, that aligns well with the trend. So for Ethereum USDT, the market is still trying to figure out the direction it wants to go. The market is currently inside the fair value gap. So let's say if there's going to be a rejection. If there's a rejection, then this is going to be a buy trade. But if there's no rejection and the market just keeps going down, then this is going to be a sell trade. And whatever happen, whatever affects one of the crypto instruments, tends to affect all other crypto instruments. So I'm just going to keep an eye out for this, and if the market rejects this level, then I'll just go ahead and close the Solana position we had earlier. Okay, uh, but I believe this is going to sell. Okay, I believe it's going to sell. All right, so you see, XAUUSD is still creating the bearish candles, and okay. All right, let's make analysis on the euro pairs. So we have euro USD here, and we are currently on the 1 hour time frame. So let's see what we have on the 1 hour time frame. Last week we had a break of structure to the upside. Okay, and we have this huge gap. Okay, this was created because of the close of market during the weekend. So we have this huge level of fair value gap. Okay, so the market is going to come back to this level to close the gap, and when it does, we will be waiting for the market, and we'll be looking to enter, take the opportunity. So the market is already making the bearish move, which means it's coming down to this level. So my entry point will be around here. My stop loss will be right there, and my take profit will just be here on this high. Okay. Okay, so that is my analysis for Euro USD, guys. You can keep an eye out for this. Just take a screenshot, maybe, and try to replicate everything here on your chart. All right. And once you get the confirmation that the market is about to buy, you can go ahead and open position. So I'm also going to be keeping an eye out for this trade. And once I get a good buying opportunity, I'm going to take the shot. All right. So you can see this is the lower time frame. This is the 15 minutes time frame. And see how the bearish is taking over the market. Okay. So even though this is going to be like a short move, okay, even though this is going to be a short move, the market is going to sell. All right. So this is still something you can take advantage of. You can open a sell position and sell to this level. All right. But I already have two positions on, so I don't want to open the third one. You want to take everything slowly. You can't take, you can't open all the position in a day. So make sure to know your limit. Okay. If you have a position on, you can wait until you close the position before you open another one. All right. So again, that's a piece of advice from me. And guys, it's already 11 a.m. and as usual, our session is scheduled for just an hour. So guys, we've come to the end of our live trading session for today. Join me same time tomorrow. We'll try to get better entry opportunities. So till then, enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.